Get a unified view of your data from all your favorite tools in minutes. With over 150 connectors to choose from, Weld allows you to effortlessly sync your data to your data warehouse with just a few clicks. Select your data source, choose your tables, hash or exclude sensitive columns, and set how often you want your new data synced. Weld then begins to sync your historical data into your data warehouse. Our ready-to-use SQL templates can help you get insights from your data immediately. Once your initial data is synced, the next step is converting your data into actionable tables and reports. Thanks to our AI assistant Ed, you can generate new queries and reports, troubleshoot errors, and get answers to your SQL queries. Ed guides you by suggesting the SQL commands to run on your tables, aiding you in discovering essential insights. Ed is designed to work seamlessly with your table schema, identifying necessary transformations and joins for your tables. Our lineage overview allows you to trace how your data is interconnected. When you publish your model, it's saved in your data warehouse for later use, or to use in any BI tool of your choice. Utilize our reverse ETL feature to move your data from Weld back into your SAS tools, or directly into a Google Sheet. Our orchestration capabilities let you manage your data flow, ensuring reliability. Sign up for a 2-week free trial and begin your journey to mastering your data.